Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix audio lag in Bandlab, right? How you can do this. It's very easy thing to do. So for example, let me show you. We have to just open our Bandlab, and if you're just facing this audio lag again and again and it's not getting fixed even though you have tried the settings and everything, if it's not working, then let me show you how we can fix it, right? It's very easy. So first of all, we have to just go to the Play Store of our phone. Whether if you use the iOS, then just go to the App Store and search for Bandlab, and make sure if you see an option of update in the place of open, update your app right now, because this is very important. Once you update have done of your app, you will see a beta version. If you don't have find a beta version, that's fine. If you find, then just click on join and join it right now, because when you join a beta version, then there could be some of the bugs which could get fixed in the beta version, right? And after that, if it's still the problem persists, then what you have to do, you have to just open your settings of your phone. Once you have opened settings of your phone, here you have to search for apps management, right? So basically apps management is something where all the application which is present in your phone, it will shown here. Now this is my app management, and in the search bar we will search for Bandlab. So this is here our Bandlab, and after that we have to go to the storage usage. Make sure you clear the cache, and you can even clear the data, right? So once you have cleared the data, that's fine. You have to re-log in into your Bandlab, so make sure you have all the credentials before clearing data. And after that, it will definitely fix your problem. Just make sure to reboot your phone just for once, and that's it. Then it will definitely fix it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.